Hello, it's me, 2005 Kitty Cat, and today I'm going to be doing a video or pastel popsicles. I forgot what my username was on YouTube, so I'm really tired. But I'm gonna go to a party. Um, Wolves Only, perfect. So the Wolves Only party is specifically for Wolves Only, obviously. I have not played this game in a really long time. I forgot this made you look like you're a pepper. Now I've already spotted my first victim of trading, which I cannot move. It's glitching so bad. Oh, oh, I forgot you move around. Fuck. Wait, I really want this, but I don't think I have enough to get this. My door just closed. I don't know why. And this, and I have two sets of these. So, oh, my cat is in here. I don't know, but I really don't want any of this. It's kind of all going to hurt. Because for some reason Animal Jam screwed me over and made me get 2 memberships on accident. So it kind of made me mad. Did I? No. So it's only the back. And I think that's good. Then I'll give her a masterpiece. We did. And maybe one of my pets. Yeah, I think I should give her one of my pets. Just so. I would rather have all of the items that I'm giving her are blue, which are bad because she might not like it because she has pink on. Yeah, she declined my trade. So, this is usually the best place to um, trade people, I guess, if that's what you want to say. Well, um, so I expanded, I got the app because the website screen was way too small and I didn't want to film with that being really, really small. So, yeah. No one's gonna trade me because this girl's on top of me. Um, it's better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. It's better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. It's better when I'm dancing. Sorry, I like that song. Is there any way I could buddy this girl and she'll actually, she's not accepting. But I used to be a big Animal Jam YouTuber back a long time ago. But I don't know what happened to my channel. I forgot the username. I was like 4, but I don't really care. Oh, he's giving me all this stuff, but I don't think I should trade him because he looks like a hacker. But and plus I don't think he needs it. I'm sorry. That's not worth it. But this girl has a cute outfit. Her name's Webster. I might get a new account, guys, because I don't like my username. It's really weird, because you have like a way to change your username, but I can't now because I've already made this account. So, yeah. Sure, but I'm doing a video, so I don't think so. I'm sorry. But I don't really need buddies right now. Oh. Oh, yeah. I am going to accept that. I don't know, I'm just scared because I am very paranoid about how people look like hackers and it really freaks me out because I watched an Animal Jam creepypasta. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, really? Oh my gosh. Oh my, oh my gosh, I'm so happy right now. Oh my god. No way. No, wait, no, 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 I'm about to cry. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Thank This is, oh my gosh. I can't believe this. This is so amazing. I'm so happy. I will trade this because she's giving me a tiki mask. I don't have a tiki mask. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so happy right now. I feel better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. I'm so much in a good mood right now. Thank you, please. She tried to make my day because she felt bad because, oh, I understand that. Thank you, you're so sweet. Guys, this is going up on YouTube and she is getting a shout out. But she deserves a gift and she needs this gift and I don't need it. So she deserves this and I really, really think that she needs this. So of how nice and kind she was to me, I will give her my black, like, wait, no, I don't know if I'll give her that, but let me find something. Yeah, no, yes, no, yes, no, sure. I'll take that because I don't really want my cat ears right now. I don't need them. I will give her my eyeball hat because she deserves my eyeball hat right now. And I'm really happy because she's giving me every single like rare. And I am so happy right now. She's given me a lot and she deserves something back for it. Because it's not fair because I'm kind of giving some unworthy stuff. So she needs my eyeball hat. Yes. Okay, so she gave. Oh, so she's not accepting jamograms. I think she left, but that girl was so nice. Did I send her the jamogram? I don't know if she's. Oh, this is like. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy right now. I'm gonna make a look with my items that she gave me because I feel bad if I didn't make a look with it. So, what should I use? I think I'm gonna use my coyote because this party. Oh, did someone trick me? Um, this party's only for. I forgot about this. I was in the wolf party. Oh, she's sad. Hmm. And member things on trade. What? 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 No, I'm sorry, but I don't think that that's worth it. I'm sorry if I feel like I'm declining all the people that have bad trades. But I'm giving this girl a friend request since she's sad. Because my system is amazing. My system is weird. Um, She is like this girl. She's being very kind. I think she's in a generous mood. You want? Come on, please, woman. I really want to become your buddy. You look very nice. Very nice, very nice. I think, look, I did give her my cat ears. I don't know if she wants me to give her the stuff for the headdress, but I'm not going to give her the stuff for the headdress, because that's hers, and I think she should keep it. I like her look. It looks very much like mine. I like it. I don't know if she's trying to copy me, but who cares? We look the same. It's kind of funny. Except they don't have a, member stuff, member stuff, member stuff. That's life now. Okay, this has gone on for like 11 minutes, and I didn't even notice. I'm really sorry, I haven't cut the video, so let me cut this video. Okay, so I am back, and I'm still in this place, but I'm going to leave, real quick. After this party's over, I'm going to leave. I don't know when the next party is. Let me see. Time. Sorry, this is really 5 minutes, so in 5 minutes this party will end. And the only reason why I'm staying is because, I think it's worth staying for, so, I don't know if this girl did this on purpose or someone's hacking. I don't think someone's hacking her account. She looks generous. I mean, she's like really nice. And I want you all to focus on what true kindness is, guys. When someone gives you something and they are doing it out of kindness, time for all. You just stepped all over my keyboard, sweet girl. Can't do that. You know I'm recording, sweet girl. Sweet little girl. I don't think she really knew that I was recording, but that looks wrong. But true kindness is when someone gives you something that, the person, you don't even really know the person, but the person behind this is being kind. So she should get a huge shout out. I mean, she's being really nice. Oh, she just left, but that's what true kindness is. Left. Are they doing a musically? I don't really know, but I'm gonna get in there. I don't know if I'm interrupting anything, but it's totally worth it if I get to be. Oh my god, I feel so bad. Mm-hmm. Better. Oh my gosh, this is how it works. Like when someone does a video, you need to get in the middle of it and ruin it for them. Yep, they just dramagrammed me saying, meet me in my den. I can't right now, child. I'm interrupting a musically. I'm sorry. I will do it later. I have time for my fans. I don't think she's my fan, but she's for my buddies right now. She's. Ooh, what? No, I'm catching this on video. Ew, this is gross. What the? Ew. Ew. Gross. Okay, I'm going up here. That is not kid friendly. Come on, let's not look at that right now. So, yeah. The title of this video will probably be like, I got a party hat, or special animal jammer gives kindness. But, it will not, guys. If you think this is a complete joke, you're wrong, because this is not a joke. The girl who, gave me all that stuff, I don't even know who